Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to hide friend list on Facebook, then this video would be helpful for you. Because in this video, I will show you how to hide your friend list on Facebook. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, open your Facebook application. And then click on the top right corner, 3 lines. Then click on setting and privacy. And then click on setting. After that, scroll down and find audience as visibility. As you can see here, audience as visibility. And find here how people find and contact you. Click on it. After that, it will show you different options. You have to click on who can see your friend list. Click on it. And then here it will provide you 5 different options. As we want to hide our friend list, so click on only me. You can see only me is selected. So no one can see your friend list on the Facebook. In this way you can hide your friend list on Facebook. Guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.